Hi, my name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Writing Incorporated. One of the things I want to talk to you about today is superfluous words. And superfluous words are just words that add no value at all to your writing. So if you are using words like in order to, things like that, and also we see that a lot, currently is another one. If you're using those words, they probably don't add any value. For instance, if I'm going to use the word current, it's because I want to make a distinction between what's happening now and what happened in the past. Otherwise, you really don't even need it. We see it quite a bit. If you're using an order to, the simpler equivalent is simply to use the word to. So really think about the words that you're using and ask yourself, is every single word necessary? Does every single word add value? And if it doesn't, get rid of it. Your writing will improve. Take care. Bye.